Hi guys. Today I'm going to talk to you about an amazing technique called Apple Awareness. What is Apple Awareness? So, first I want to talk to you a little bit about how our past affects us. Do you know we all have this faded photograph of an old frame of us or a young family member, or when we were young? I have many of those, and you wouldn't want to see that, who has left childhood and grown up. But do you not think that that is not who you are at this point in time, who you are now? So I think it's time to remove that old picture. That's what this whole module's about. Replace it, give it a fresh, up to date version, and to reframe it with a whole new frame of a new perspective. It is the same as in your mind. Consider those old limiting beliefs, unhelpful ideas, thoughts that keep you in that negative mind chatter cycle. I want you to change them. I want you to start to reframe them. I want you to start to look at it and think, that's the old me. This is the new me, the new rejuvenated me, the new me who's breaking down barriers to, not letting the past be the past me, but this is a new me. So reframe your thoughts. It's time to make that change. It One essential technique you can use is called reframing, releasing those limiting thoughts to regain control, to respond with your mind, with mastery. The purpose of reframing is to change or to frame a complex set of unquestioned values and beliefs to better self serving ones that enable you to make better choices. Consequently, there is an implicit change in your viewpoint. That means that once you change your thought, you change your mind, then you'll change your behavior. And once you change your behavior, you'll just be different instead of, like my image suggests here, you're locked in this cell or this jail of those unhelpful, negative, intrusive thoughts that have impinged and impacted your life. Adopting awareness is, as a result of this reframing, allows you to, as a result of the reframing, that allows you to listen to the mind chatter, yes, but change aspect of that thought and stepping back, dissociating from your viewpoint of any situation. In other words, look at it another way. That's what simple as reframe means. Reframe takes you away from that false perception that leaves you unhappy towards creating a new perspective that makes you happier. Negative thoughts to positive ones. So, problematic issue by considering it as an opportunity, something that's against you in a situation that's not you. I can't do the course, but can you do this one instead? That's a new way of looking at it. The impossible condition as learning a situation. I have lost my job, but I can learn new skills and get a new one. If you experience unkindness or being misunderstood, then it's time to understand that that's that person's point of view and that's why they're being cruel to you. So it's time to change that whole perspective. So nobody understands me, but I can share how I feel and then they will find out what's wrong with me. So when you change your emotional state of mind, I've created a funnel here for you to understand that how to change it, just put everything in that funnel and what comes out is better. So changing your emotional state of mind is by reframing it to more optimistic, positive state. That's imperative for regaining control. So you consider the following statements. Once you adopt this way of thinking, it's a new habit. You'll start so many positive changes that include how people perceive you. Reframing can be challenging your ideas about this superficial longing to be the most beautiful person in the world. But define beautiful. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And I could have a scar running down my face, but if my partner loves me and really truly loves me, loves my personality, loves my funniness, loves me who I am, then it doesn't matter that I have a scar running down my face. So in Korea, women avoid the sun at all costs because white skin is a sign of beauty, whereas Western women favor a suntan. So it's just different perspective, isn't it? In Myanmar, visually elongated necks are considered an ultimate symbol of beauty. So you can reframe your thoughts in self-aware ways, like I hate my neighbor, or put it to the funnel and realize that actually you are giving so much energy to hating your neighbor, or she doesn't like me. Well, does it matter? So energetically, you can reframe your thoughts, mentally and symbolically and physically, resulting in increased motivation and success to achieve your goals. Now, the principles of reframing are: when you practice reframing, you understand what's going on in your mind behind that thought. Situations and events do not have a deeper meaning. Your emotions, your experience, your expectations will define how you make sense of an occasion. Once you understand this concept, a failure will reveal as something starting new for you. Every positive or negative thought has a hidden meaning or a frame behind it, including underlying assumptions, judgments, beliefs. There's a definite purpose in your negative thought. Your conscious mind wants you to change your behavior. Your inner voice, your subconscious mind wants to stay in that comfort zone where you feel safe and secure. But when you change your thoughts, you change your mind, you change your behavior, you will adopt new behaviors that are so much better for you. So I wanted to introduce you to Apple Awareness. Reframing your thoughts, become aware of why you feel angry, fearful, or negative. So step back or zoom out to gain perspective, readdress those negative feelings. Speak more vulnerably to disarm yourself from pain and challenge. Identify your negative frame and ask yourself the right questions. And lastly, is change the narrative and reframe it differently. So, like I said, first is awareness, then is perception, possibility, listen, and engage. So I'm going to explain each one here. Awareness, becoming aware why you're angry, fearful, or negative. Perception is stepping back, zoom out to gain perspective, readdress those negative feelings. Possibility, face your truth, be vulnerable and opening up to find new solutions. Listening to your inner voice, identifying that negative frame, ask yourself the right questions. And the E is engage in action by consciously changing your narrative and reframing it differently. Framing allows you to look at that situation differently. You can challenge your filters, loosen up your keen conviction of the right or wrong way to do things, consider the alternatives, but finding a new way of looking at things, creating a likely meaning, changes in your behavior. Then you will change the frame and then your world. So I want to end with: consider that your uncle has a computer problem. He struggles because he's not technical, cannot rectify the situation. He looks at his computer as if it's a toaster that's broken and it's not working. You call an IT professional, you find newly installed programs have interfered with the hard drives, the technically it's all well again. So it is as easy and simple as that. Just clear out. So write down your negative thoughts, reframe them and change the words you talk about yourself, and then change your perspective. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon in the next video.